Good day everyone, welcome back to my channel, Soleil's Life. Today I'm going to be showing you the pieces that I'm working with. This is the front, cut and a fold. This is the side plus half of the back. And here we have the liner for the neckline. This will also be the liner for the side of the top and the shoulders of the top. So this video I'm doing is just a really quick and simple, easy top that a customer requested. She had leftover materials from a dress that was made and she wanted to use up the rest of the material. So I decided, like, it wasn't much material left, but I decided, okay, this is the quickest and simplest way that I could use the least amount of material to work with and still achieve a top. So to begin, I'm going to go ahead and do the front darts, because here we have the bust and the underbust on both sides. So I'm just going to go ahead and pin both darts. I marked it out and I marked out the seam allowance so it would be easy for you to see. So the darts is just going to be pinned here and it's going to be pinned right here. So this is what I'm going to do on all 4 darts. So I'm going to go ahead and do the 4 darts. I'm also going to flat stitch down the neck area, and I'm going to put the liner on the shoulder, on the neckline area, and then I'll be back to show you what it looks like. This is what it looks like after I have sewn the darts and lined the shoulders and the neckline. This is what the top looks like. What I did was I placed a ribbon on the shoulder, which you could place a strap on the shoulder, and pinned it down. Now we're working on the back part of the top. Here I place a strap on the inside. I'm going to stitch ½ seam allowance all the way around except this section. So I'm going to stitch from here all the way up, all the way over. I'm going to do the same thing here. I'm going to stitch from here all the way down, all the way over. Once I'm done stitching this, I'm going to turn it over and I'm going to attach it to the underarm side section of the top, and I'll be back to show you what that looks like. So after I have attached the side piece, I place the ribbons, and this is what the top looks like. I stitched down the line up, did the darts, hemmed the top. This is the 2 side pieces. These are the ribbons, and you have a finished top.